Betty was brought to AR usiku Wednesday kuamkia Thursday, and she came with a stroke. Nobody shared any other details. We tested her for everything, including drug intoxication and pregnancy. Medical history. In all hospitals, on a America can Britain can na medical history amodo. Medical history metro. On the CBC, her platelets were low and her HB was also low. So we proceeded to do the test called PBF. And through the PBF, that when we realized she had a leukemia, only that's the mchana sasa. Haya, she went through proper medication with a lot of love. Hiyo Wednesday usiku, I was in the so I witnessed her admission. Ni uongo, hakukosa kuadmitiwa. Ni admission hiyo ina wira. Sasa on Saturday, I went on shift in that morning. Nikakutana na huyo maraya wa kwanza. Nienda litone ni adikito haha. Yes. And I was also happy at last they were supporting her. Kube, magizimasa manija lift ine. Tulikutana na huyo mmoja kwa lift. Boini. Wabere, masemani ya lift ine. And also, I was happy to see they are supporting her. Wow. Tonomodo raki menye kani eraturi togi kuja kuvuruga. Remember OB that night. She was admitted, alipewa damu A+ positive, niyo kibire gwikirwo. But we required to give her platelets. Platelets da igwene thakame ya eto yato nyamu toruta go thakame ine, tukoragwo to 140,000 to 450,000 thini wa mundu. Ndiyo toruta go thakame ine kemekagio thakame ciao. Into platelets izo ona kwa marina ukimwi kama magigie. Iyo itoti ndeagereire ina mukingo gukira kurega. We normally don't store platelets in stock. We only have whole blood, packed red cell and FFP. So the family was supposed to donate the platelets. Family or friends. Imagine on that Saturday. Akina huyo mrudi mumarayo siyo mwedi kutida kumodo malitoa. We are told to donate wakakata. Nemalegete fiyo kurutata kama siyao. And walikuwa wanafuruga saying how AR is expensive. They needed to transfer her to Kenyatta Hospital. We tried to beg them kwanza wa donate platelets apewe ndio wa transfer wakakata. Nimeri toda ki transfer yote kito nyamu ino. Kiro nyamu isi dego survive adi. Makiuga no problem. Wakakata, and now that's when tulikubali tu wambebe. Nemare kote. Marega korea na marega koru toda kame. Cause they were even hitting the table kwa fujo. Murehe irogi nyumba kwa Kenyatta. Ni Kenyatta public hospital ti private wing. Later tukasikia Betty died, and as the whole fraternity were there with her, we were disappointed. They failed her. Kina huyo mwa kwanza analia sana. Tena leto hane heto na leto. Na usio ngewa kuma America okerelithia hau. They failed her. That's why they were using AR to cover up. And the AR rutire marwa na ihenyo gunda mionire kwa marwa maone mandikire marwa na ihenya muno remoni mararumo edonire kwa podcast ni postire marwa maore utonete podcast ni amekirire marwa magima mao tone ma postire no ni damonere wa podcast. Anyone ever follow up cause AR washa set case ya defamation? If anyone ever follows up uri okurumirira kesi ni ekumenya ni mathitangitwo na defamation ko uri guthukiria cio ritwa makimenyaga ni mari